There's one. Ooh, beautiful crappie, boys. Guys, we got one already. First cast. So we are at the new river park, New Foster area. Fisher's place my entire life. I was brought here when I was 4 to that exact side. It used to be fenced. We'd have to crawl through a little hole in the fence just to get down to the area to fish. Completely transformed to this now. Beautiful place. Awesome. Going in for the release. This is a honey hole. There's one right there. Big as the devil. Beautiful fish. I mean, don't get me wrong, guys. We had a 20-degree temperature swing. Ooh. Oh no, baby, we don't eat this fish. These are very polluted waterway. We don't want to eat this fishy. These are just for fun, baby. But we had a 20-degree temperature change. Cloudy skies. I mean, it's ideal temperatures for these guys right now. They are out and about chasing. And what they are chasing? Just little minnows. That's all. Just little minnows. Let's go get some more. All right, guys. As you know, we're at River Park today. A place where I grew up fishing. Since the age of 4, my grandfather brought me here. Have so many memories here. It's completely changed now. As you can see, we have a whole new waterfall system. Oh, that one hit hard. That's a chunker right there. Woo! That is a chunker. Oh, he's a heavy one right here. I see you, baby. That's a good one right there. Gotta get that hook out. So I'm using the line, good tension on the line, so I can then pull back, push back, and just pop that hook right out. Kind of like that. But that's a really nice fish there. There's one. Something really small, whatever this is. Oh, he was swimming towards me, but he is really small. Alright guys, we're not doing anything special here. We're just consistently maintaining our speed as far as reeling in. We have a minnow jig on there, and we're just consistently reeling it in, making the jig look like it's a real minnow swimming around. A predator will see that, come right up to it, swoop in, just like that, and you have yourself another catch. Ooh, another good fish too. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. There's one. There's another one. That's a good one, man. Jeez. That's another good one. Whew. This is a big one, man. It's my shoe right there. Size 11 and a half. It's a good fish. Nice and thick. There's one. Another good one. there's another one. That was another good hit, man. They're just slaying this jig. Absolutely slaying this jig. There's one, small guy. There's one. Oh, that's a good fighter. Fish on. Fish on. Another crappie. Another crappie. Oh yeah. Right in the bottom lip. Very cold fish too. This one's a little lighter, but it is a black crappie indeed. White crappie have more vertical bars. Black crappie are the more spotted guys. Beautiful fish. There's one. Ooh. I love how they dig, man. These black crappie, they get your lure and they just dig towards the bottom. You can see these crappie are different colors, and that's really just because where they're sitting in the water column here, because we have a bunch of really cold water coming from this north branch here, right in and going into the North Shore Channel. So, you know, there's the North Shore Channel is a little bit warmer than what the water that would be coming out of this north branch here. So, this guy's got it in there good though. There we are. Bunch of fatties. There's one right there. Another one right in the tip of the lip. Beautiful Chicago River black crappie. Temperature conditions just were kind of ideal. 50 degrees. Clouds. I mean, no actual rain today, but it is pretty damp in the air. But yeah, we had a pretty solid day today. A lot of fun. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and we will see you again very shortly. Is that right, Liza? Is it cold?
Yeah, it is so cold, like this much.
Yeah, 50 degrees today, but it'll be 80 degrees tomorrow. It's crazy. Have a great one.